How to prepare for CLAT 2021 in 45 days from zero. That is what we are going to talk about in this video. If you do not know, I want to tell you that CLAT 2021 has been postponed. CLAT 2021 was to take place on 13th June 2021, but now it has been postponed. No date has been given. There is no particular date. But since the registration है वो extend कर दी गई है 15 जून 2021 तक, तो हमें पता है कि 15th जून तक तो ये एग्जाम नहीं कंडक्ट होगा. सो वी ऑन द सेफ साइड वी हैव 1 month प्लस 15 days at least हमें क्लैट देगा ही टू मेक श्योर दैट वी कैन प्रिपेयर फॉर द एग्जाम, राइट. सो अगर हम 45 days लेकर चलें तो वी हैव even before the boards are announced and everything, we know that we have good 45 days, and I'm going to tell you that how you should utilize these 45 days to prepare for CLAT from zero. If you are a candidate who is preparing for CLAT but आपने इतने अच्छे से prepare नहीं किया है, आपके कुछ topics हुए कुछ नहीं हुए, तब भी आपको ये video देखनी चाहिए because it is going to help you and you will be on the right track after watching this video because I have discussed everything in detail, right? So please grab a notebook and a pen so that you can make notes, so that you can put things into action immediately after watching this video. Yeah guys, welcome to Loggery. I hope you're subscribed to Loggery's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss any of our videos. And I hope you're following us on Instagram. We're there by the name at I am Loggery. We do pretty motivational stuff out there. If you want to stay happy, if you want to stay motivated, and if you want to stay connected a little more with Loggery, then do follow us on Instagram. Keep this in mind. I want to tell you certain things. I want to clear out certain things before you start your preparation, before I tell you that this is how you need to prepare in these 45 days. Number one is this is a hit and try method. I'm not saying ki if you prepare through this method, you're going to clear CLAT 101% or even 100%. But I have a question for you that I want you to answer. Is it 100% sure that a candidate preparing for 1 year or 2 years or from 6 months, like a candidate who's preparing from 6 months, from 1 year, from 2 years, is going to clear CLAT 100%? Can we say that? Right? So everyone is doing this gamble only that शायद clear हो जाए. Right? तो इसका मतलब ये है, if we completely focus, if we try to cover the important topics, practice, we can clear CLAT. Right, now covering only the important topics. Obviously we have so less time, so we are going to focus only on the topics that we know that they are going to be there, right? So only important topics, and I'm going to give you a list of the important topics which you need to note, and I'm also going to tell you that how you need to cover them, right? Good news, CLAT is more about learning how to solve a particular topic rather than learning, right? It is more about learning how to solve, like how to solve a topic rather than learning. You don't need to mug up. Yes, you need to mug up certain things, but rather you have to learn, you have to adopt a skill, and once you learn that how you have to solve, you are good to go, which is the easier part. When you have to learn a lot, then it is a bit difficult. Aim for a score above 85 or 90 minimum. Like this is what we are going to score. 90 plus जाना है हमें, तभी हम कह सकते हैं कि हमारी admission होगी, right? So how to do that? We are going to collect marks. We are going to see that okay fine, I can cover this subject and I can score this much, from this subject I can score this much, and then we are going to put together the marks, right? That is how we are going to do. हमने marks इकट्ठे करने हैं अपनी basket में, हमने 90 to 100 marks किसी भी तरह डालने हैं, उनकी preparation कर जानी है, right? Do not worry, please do not worry, do not be fearful कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. देखो, you have started late, it's fine, but do not worry. If you sit down and worry, that is not going to help. Instead, if you sit down and study the right way, the way I'm telling you, that is going to help you more, right? Give maximum time to CLAT, right? Minimum to minimum, if you can give, please give 3 to 4 hours minimum. Maximum, it could be 8 to 9 hours that you can study. I'm talking about study time minus the rest time, right? If your board exams, like if you have completed the syllabus of board exams, try to give just 2 to 3 hours to your board exam preparation and divert entire time to CLAT. If you can do that, that is going to be great. That way you are going to cover your syllabus quickly. आप जल्दी से syllabus complete कर पाएंगे, right? Plan your 44 to 45 days, creating plus following a schedule. Now it is very important that you plan these days, right? How to do the planning, from where to start, we are going to discuss that. But yeah, having a schedule is very important. You can also watch my video wherein I've discussed things in detail. Very short video, you can just go through it. I'll leave the link in the description box. Say no to social media, give your phone to your parents. Guys, if you really want that this mission CLAT 2021 should be successful, I think you should give up on your phone. Stop using your phone. I think you should use your phone just for 1 hour every day, nothing else. That too, if you want to check the updates related to the exams and everything, or you want to check YouTube or Instagram for study purpose only, right? Give your phone to your parents. Tell your parents that they should give you the phone just for an hour every day and not more than that. No social media, nothing. If you are zero on social media, then only you'll be hero or heroine in CLAT, right? Next is take the pledge. Whatever I'm going to study, I'm going to study properly. Look, we are covering only the important topics. Yes, we are only going to cover the important topics. And if you say that these also I'm not going to cover properly, then we won't be able to clear CLAT. So take the pledge that whatever you're going to study, you're going to study properly. Right. Now let's talk about subject-wise planning. We are going to talk about English, maths, current affairs, logical reasoning, legal aptitude. I'm going to give you a complete strategy. The strategy is going to consist of the important topics that you need to cover. Then I'm going to talk about the books or the resources that you should go for. Then we are going to talk about that how you should study. And I'm also going to tell you that from where you should start, how you should plan everything, right? How you should plan your schedule. And also I'm going to tell you that which topics or which subjects you should begin with. Let's begin with English, because English is something that you can easily cover in just a few days. So reading comprehension is the topic number 1 that you need to focus on. Please guys, I want to tell you one thing. If you are new to CLAT, one thing that you need to understand is that in 2020 the syllabus was changed, so CLAT 2019 was different and CLAT 2020 is different. Your CLAT 2021 exam is going to be somewhat like CLAT 2020, so please check out the previous year question papers plus the sample papers. They are available on our website, that is www.loggery.com. I'll be giving you the link in the description box below. Please go through the previous year question papers. I want to tell you that the pattern of the exam is, so there's a passage followed by 5 to 6 questions, then there's a passage followed by 5 to 6 questions, again passage. This is not only there for English section, this is there for all other sections, right? So please have a look at the question paper and the sample papers. They are available for free on our website www.loggery.com. Right, you can also check out our video. I have done a video related to reading comprehension wherein I'm telling you that how you need to solve different types of questions, and if you understand that, your life is going to be easy. Now, the best part about reading comprehension is that you just have to understand. You have to just understand that how different types of questions are to be solved. Right? What is the tone of the passage? Okay, is what the author is assuming in the passage, or what is the main theme of the passage? You know, there are different types of question: main idea, tone, right? Different, various, right? I have discussed all of these types of questions in my video, but I would recommend that you can either download any online PDF, a good online PDF, or if you say no, I don't want to go for online PDF, you can buy a book called Arun Sharma and Meenakshi Upadhyay. It is a book for CAT, that is for CAT exam, not for CLAT. But yeah, the best part about this book is that they have explained that how you have to solve different types of questions. Now if we understand that how we have to solve different types of questions, now one problem is solved. That now we know that how we have to solve, we know that. Now just what we have to do, we just have to practice, right? You can practice from this book. There are so many PDFs online that are available, you can solve them. And also on our website I'll be uploading some practice tests for passages, you can solve them also, right? I'll leave the link in the description box below. So I hope you're clear that the book you have to use, how you have to prepare, you have to understand that how you have to solve, and then you have to practice. Now what about practice? You need to understand that you have to solve 5 to 6 passages back to back. You have to solve 5 to 6 passages back to back. Why back to back? Because in the exam you will be solving these many passages back to back, so you need to practice so that you can increase your speed and accuracy. You can increase your speed and accuracy. Accuracy मतलब correct भी होना चाहिए and fast भी होना चाहिए हमारी speed, right? You understood how you have to do, and if you practice like this for 10 to 15 days, you will be good to go. 10 to 15 days, you will be an expert in solving RCs, right? Next is figures of speech. Now, figures of speech is topic number 2 that you're going to solve because they're in our 2020 CLAT exam. Now, the resources, you can cover it from online resources. There are so many videos, online PDFs, right? So please download any PDF, watch videos. Now, when you do this, you have to make notes. Please make notes so that you do not have to refer to the videos again and again. Make your notes for this particular topic. For figures of speech, I'm talking about that you have to make notes. After making notes, you also have to obviously understand things and practice as much as you can. राइट फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच कुछ नहीं होता है, सिमिली क्या है, मेटाफर क्या है, ये हमें पता होना चाहिए, राइट? गोइंग टू ग्रामर. सो इन क्लैट 2020 वी वर नॉट हैविंग ग्रामर. इन क्लैट 2020 वी वर नॉट हैविंग ग्रामर, बट फॉर सेफ साइड, इफ वी चेक द गाइडलाइंस, इफ वी चेक द syllabus, we need to cover grammar, so we'll be just covering the important topics. They are tenses and subject, verb and agreement. You can use any book. You can use Wren and Martin, you can use S.P. Bakshi, you can use S. Chand's book. Any one is enough. Do not buy all the books. Do not buy all the books. You just need to cover these topics from one book. Now, one idea that I want to give, one tip that I want to give is for grammar is that please make a formula list, a rules list, right? Wherein you have all the formulas, all the rules of grammars, so that you can revise again and again, plus also practice, right? Grammar, and same for figures of speech, right? I hope things are clear. English is something that you can cover really quickly. Talking about current affairs, a lot of you have this in mind that should we read newspaper or should we stop reading newspaper? To answer your question, what I have done is I've created a table here. If we have a look at CLAT 2020's journal knowledge section, and if we see that from which dates the news passages or the news articles were there in the paper: 15th August, 2nd September, 11th June 2020, 14th August, 17th September, 16th August, and the exam took place on 28th September, if I'm not wrong, 28th September 2020, and the exam was postponed again and again. The situation was same. The exam was to take place in May or June 2020, and it was postponed again and again, and finally it took place on 28th September 2020. Right, we get to learn what we get to learn, that we need to continue reading the newspaper. There is no criteria which says that you need to stop reading the newspaper in June 2021 or May 2021 because the news is going to come from there. No, till the exam doesn't take place, you have to read the newspaper. Can you see the dates? Can you see the dates? We cannot say that the news articles or the news that was there prior to June 2020 has been asked. No, it is the news articles are there from August, September, more from June, August and September, right? So the news right now is very important. You need to cover the news really nicely. So first thing is to read the newspaper. To read the newspaper, you can go for the Hindu, you can go for the Indian Express, right? On my Instagram account, that is Loggery's Instagram account, we are posting the important news. You can check that out if you're not able to find out that which is important news. So you can follow us on Instagram. We're there by the name at I am Loggery. Number one, right? Number two, if you say that the newspaper is not delivered because of lockdown, because of pandemic or any other reason, you can subscribe. You can take e-subscription of the newspaper for the Hindu or the Indian Express. Clear? This is very important. Now we also get to know that the news, which news is most important now, which news is important. I usually say that you need to cover news from say January 2020 till the date of the exam, right? But now you need to understand one thing, that we have 45 days, number one, and number two, if we analyze the previous year question paper of CLAT 2020, we get to know that the news of the current year is very important. Yeah, for safe side, we cannot be short about it. What CLAT says is that you have to cover the news of the previous year and the year in which the exam takes place, right? But yes, since we are playing a gamble, one thing that we can do is we can cut out on 2019 news. We can cut out on 2019 news. Now, if you are a candidate who is preparing from last 1 year or 2 years, Keep on revising your 2019 news. This is for those who are having less time. We will be concentrating on the news from January 2021 till the date of the exam, till the month when the exam takes place, right? Okay, we are clear on that part. Now, how to cover the news from January 2021 till May 2021? If you are saying that I'll read the previous month's newspaper, please don't do that. What you can do is you can buy Pratyogita Darpan's previous month's editions. They have their monthly editions, you can buy them, right? Or you can go for IS Vision. They have free PDFs available on their website, or you can go for GK Today. They have paid PDFs available. Whatever suits you, you can go and check them out, and whatever suits you, you can buy that. Right now, you need to cover the news like this from January 2021 till May 2021. But from today itself, when you're watching this video, whenever you're watching this video, please start reading the newspaper. From May, you need to read the newspaper every day. I'm covering the legal news. I'm covering the legal news on Logiri, weekly legal news on Logiri. You can check that out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Not only you have to read the newspaper every day, you also have to read monthly current affairs magazine. You can choose any, choose Pratyogita Darpan, IS Vision, GK Today's monthly editions. You just have to buy any one. Don't buy all of them. Don't start reading all of them. You just have to choose any one. I hope I'm clear. Problem with current affairs is that you have to learn current affairs. You need to learn, you need to remember current affairs. Now, how to learn and how to remember? Obviously, by reading, if you read your current affairs one time, you're not able to remember, or you're not able to learn. So how to learn? How to learn your current affairs? You need to create a material. You need to create a material from wherein you can revise. Now, there are two ways that you do so. Either you create notes, handwritten notes, right? Either you create handwritten notes or digital notes or whatever, or in your magazine itself, you mark plus add. What do I mean by add is that from the newspaper, if you find any news that is really important, you can just make a note of it, or you can just take a screenshot, and when your magazine arrives, you can just note it down there, right? You can do that. Or what if you don't even want to add, what you can do is you can just mark in your monthly current affairs magazine. You can make short notes there only. You can mark plus make short notes, right? So that you can revise again and again. So one option is this. Option number one is you make notes. If you want to know how to make notes, I've done a video, you can check that out. Option number two is that you do not make notes. Instead, in the magazine itself, you mark and add, and if you don't want to add also, you can cross that out also. But creating a revision material, that is from wherein you can revise, is very important, because by reading current affairs once, if you read the current affair just once and think that you'll remember, you'll retain, you'll be able to attempt in the exam, then you are wrong, right? So yeah, revising again and again. You need to revise, keep on revising again and again. We know that after 45 days also we are going to get some time, but in these 45 days, you're at least going to cover these topics, and you are going to try that you're able to cover the syllabus quickly, so that you have ample time to revise thereafter, right? Let's talk about legal aptitude. So main aim, what is the main aim when we talk about legal aptitude? In legal aptitude, you have questions which we call principal and legal type of questions. So don't be afraid of these questions. If you do not know how to solve these questions or how these questions are, I have done a detailed video explaining how to solve these questions. So watch that video. The link will be in the description box below. Now, to solve these type of questions, what you need to know is that you have to understand the legal language. Right? I'm going to give you two options to that. Now, number one, you need to understand the legal language, and also you need to practice. Now, this practicing part is non-negotiable. You need to solve the previous year question papers of CLAT. You will find the link in the description box below, wherein I have provided the previous year question papers of CLAT. Solve as many as you can. We talked about that we need to understand legal language. Plus we need to know how to solve. Legal and principle based questions, right? These are the two things that we have to do if we have to solve legal aptitude section. Now the option one that you have, if you want to understand, the option one that you have if you want to understand legal languages, that you read legal news in the newspaper every day, and whichever legal term you find, you Google about it and you try to understand it. Right, every day there is some or the other legal term there. Like in the video that I have posted, I talked about sedition because that was in news. So you need to know about sedition, what it is, what are the essential elements of sedition, right? So you can do that. And if you think that this is not your cup of tea, what you can do is you can continue reading the newspaper, but what you need to do is you need to cover the important legal topics from a book. You can go for AP Bharadwaj or you can go for Willy. You can, right? Link will be in the description box below, and you need to cover these topics. Can you see the topics that I have written here? These are torts, contracts, Indian constitution, criminal law, legal terms and maxims. Please note down these topics. So what will happen is you will read these topics, you will understand these topics, and you will mark also, right? And then you will be solving the questions, right? And obviously whatever is there in the news, I'm explaining you in my videos. So do read it from the newspaper also and watch my legal news videos also, so that you have a good understanding of the legal news topics. Maths can be divided into two. One is elementary maths and the other one is data interpretation, right? I'm going to tell you how you have to cover both of them. Now, the book that I'll recommend is Elementary Maths ke liye 18 Days Wonder by S. Chand. You have to complete this book, right? And then for data interpretation, you can go for Oliver Board level 1 only. You have to solve level 1 only, not the entire book. I'm talking about data interpretation, not the entire book, right? Only and only level 1. Circles and statistics from NCERT 10th. You will find this online PDF is available for free for NCERT. Solve it from there. Please do not buy this book, right? Now for maths, I want to tell you one thing. Number one, it will take just if you give 2 to 3 days completely, it is a section which is of very less marks. It is something that you can score, right? If you prepare well, you can score well in this section. But yeah, if you're not good at math, then you can just do it in a way that you get at least some minimum marks, so that again you can collect the marks and keep them in your basket. As I told you, that it is more about fetching marks from different sections. So what you can do is you can create a formula list and keep on revising the formula list again and again and again. And whenever you revise, like every day, keep revise it for 10 to 15 minutes, the formulas. And when you have to revise, what you can do is you can pick up and solve random questions from your books. Or I also have tests available for you on www.loggery.com. When you go to the study material section and you click on maths, you'll find that there are a lot many tests. You can solve them, the answers are available, and explanations have also been given. For data interpretation, the topics that you need to solve: pie chart, bar diagram, bar graph, tabular diagram, and line graph. Now you need to understand one thing, that you need to solve elementary maths first, because the basics of elementary maths are going to be applied in data interpretation when you solve the questions of data interpretation, the formulas and everything. So step 1 should be solving elementary maths and step 2 should be solving data interpretation questions, right? Talking about critical reasoning. Now critical reasoning is a subject which is also known as logical reasoning, and it's a new subject and most of the students are afraid of this subject. Now I'm going to tell you the topics that you need to cover: assumptions, arguments, inference, conclusion. Now look, if you are completely dependent on self-study, no one is there to teach you, you are going to cover everything by yourself, then you should go for GMAT Critical Reasoning Grail by Willy Exam Expert. That is a book which is there for GMAT, but they have given a detailed explaining these topics, so it is going to be helpful. The link is going to be in the description box below, right? Don't be afraid when you approach these topics. Just keep in your mind that I can do it, I will do it. What if it is new? Everything is new in the beginning, but eventually you understand. Please make sure that you approach this subject when you are fresh, when you are not tired, so that you have a better understanding. And if you have time, you can cover some topics of logical reasoning, but your priority should be these topics first and then these. And when you complete your entire syllabus, and if you have some time, then you can solve these topics. The book that I'll recommend is R.S. Agarwal, Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning. Before before you solve this book, please watch the video wherein I've talked about how you need to solve this book. You'll find really important tips. Link will be in the description box below. Complete these topics in 45 days. Now, I know a lot of you are going to think that, oh, you know what, the pandemic is not yet over. There are states which are, the cases are on a rise when we talk about the pandemic. So obviously it is going to get postponed. When the 12th class board exams are going to take place. So we have a lot of time. Let me sit down and chill because I'll get more months and everything. Look, this is the time. If you use this wisely, if these 45 days you are able to complete your syllabus, and if you get some more time, which we do not know how much time you are going to get. Look, no one knows when COVID is going to go, when this wave is going to hit bottom, and when it would be the right time to conduct the exams. We don't know. No one knows, right? So if you use these 45 days wisely, if you complete the syllabus, and even if you get, a second run, that is a second chance, then you can cover more things, number one. And number two, if you are done with your syllabus, if you're done with the important topics, if you get more time, then you will be able to do things that are going to make sure that you get a seat, that is, you crack CLAT for sure. So please utilize this time wisely. Do not sit and wait that obviously it is going to get postponed, it won't happen. Some of the students also think like that. It will happen, CLAT is going to happen, but you have to utilize this time really wisely. Let's talk about some of the bonus tips. Number one is daily schedule. Plan on paper. It is very important that you have the plan on paper. It should be a practical schedule. How to create a practical schedule? Keep your books with you when you plan. Keep your books with you when you plan. Have a look at the number of pages that are there. How many pages you will be able to cover. So first, what you need to decide, how much time you can give to CLAT. Please give maximum number of hours to your CLAT prep. Take out maximum number of hours for your CLAT prep. As I suggested, 3 to 4 hours minimum. If you can go beyond that, 7 to 8 hours you should take out for CLAT. Which subjects you want to complete first, that also decide, and then keep your books with you. Keep the time that you can give in mind, and then plan on paper. If you want to see my video wherein I've talked about time management, everything, I've planned a schedule with you in the video, then the link will be in the description box below. You can check that out. Daily schedule. 4 to 5 hours minimum. If you can give 7 to 8 hours, that will be great. I'm not saying don't study for your board exams. Continue studying for your board exams, and that is why I always talk about a concept called combined syllabus. A combined schedule. Create a combined schedule of CLAT and boards. Give boards also good amount of time, but give your CLAT preparation also time. Now, how to divide this time? 1 hour newspaper. That is, you're going to read daily. If you want to know how to read newspaper, again, I've done 2 videos. Watch those videos and it is going to be helpful. 1 hour previous month's current affair. Remember, we have to cover current affairs from January 2021 till May 2021. Rest of the time you're going to cover at least 2 subjects, 2 topics. I'm not talking about that you need to complete the topic, but yeah, you're going to pick up 2 topics every day of any 2 subjects that you are to decide where to start from. This is one of the questions. I'll suggest that you cover your English, RC and grammar first, then move on to legal aptitude. In legal aptitude, start from Indian Constitution, because if you read Indian Constitution, it will be easier for you to read the newspaper. Understanding the newspaper gets easier when you study Indian Constitution. We also have a course for Indian Constitution. If you want to know more about the course, the link will be in the description box below. You can enroll for that also, and then you follow the other topics. After Indian Constitution, you can do your torts, contracts, criminal law, like maths plus DI. 2 to 3 full days do aur khatam karo iski story. I've told you that you have to create a formula list. I've told you that maths need to be done first and then DI. Critical reasoning also I've told you, right? Critical reasoning is not difficult if you get a good explanation. I've told you the book that you should go for if you are completely dependent on self-study. One thing that I want you to know is to keep the subject areas with weightage in mind. From English, you are going to get 28 to 32 questions. From current affairs, 35 to 39. Legal reasoning, 35 to 39. Logical reasoning, 28 to 32. Quantitative techniques, 13 to 17 questions. Please make a note of this. Very important. When you plan, you should keep the marks distribution in mind. You need to understand one thing that I'm going to explain you here, how you have to study a topic. Now, the step 1 for studying the topic is that you are going to understand, you're going you're going to mark, and you're going to practice. You're going to practice. Practice is very important. Be it RCs in English that you have to practice, be it grammar, be it your critical reasoning, be it your maths, you are going to practice. You are going to practice. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Be it legal aptitude. Practicing is important because we need to learn how to apply theory practically. Just reading is not going to solve the purpose. And understanding is important because ultimately we also have to learn things. And marking is important. Making short notes. Marking is important. Why? Because we have to revise. Our step two is that we are going to revise after every 5 days, after every 7 days, after every 5 days, after every 7 days. You're going to revise whatever you have studied. You're going to take out time to revise, because if we keep on doing new topics and we do not revise, we're going to forget. What is the use of doing new topics if we are not able to remember the older topics, right? This is how you're going to study. Next thing that you need to understand is the stages of your preparation. The stages of your preparation. Your stage 1 is completing the syllabus. Completing the syllabus is your stage 1. You have to complete the syllabus as soon as possible. How? The way I have told you, that you have to understand, mark, learn, and practice, right? Stage 2 is once you're done with your syllabus, the important topics that I have discussed, the stage 2 will be wherein you attempt full length mocks, you continue your revision, right? And how you have to revise? You have to revise the things that you have marked. You're going to quickly revise theory, and then you are going to practice. Questions, random questions. Keep on practicing the same questions. If you are not finding questions, you will find more questions on www.loggery.com. Go on study material tab that is there in the menu bar. If you click, you'll see so many tests are there for you guys. If you need any test, you can comment there only. I'll provide you with more. So yeah, that is stage 1. What is the stage 1 of the preparation? To complete the syllabus. Stage 2 is that wherein you revise and you attempt mocks. After attempting mocks, you're going to analyze them. What you're going to do is you're going to analyze them, see which topics are wrong, how you can correct them, right? This is what you're going to do. And you're also going to learn time management, which section you should solve first, which section thereafter, how much time to which section. All of this you're going to decide when you solve your mock test. So can you understand one thing, that if in these 45 days you focus on, or even in 30 to 35 days you're able to complete the syllabus, and thereafter you still take out 10 days wherein you are attempting mocks, and if you even after your 45 days you can cover your stage 2 very nicely. Getting it? Plan your 40 to 45 days well, and if you need any help from my side, tell me in the comment section below. I'm going to help you out for sure. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and do subscribe to the channel. Take care, you guys. All the best.